It's Tuesday, September 15th, 2020. I wanted to use my video for today to record some thoughts about recent news of GM's investing $2 billion in Nikola. Wall Street was initially bullish on the news, but as we enter a new trading week, GM is only slightly ahead of where it was pre-announcement. How come? There are a few reasons I think make sense. The first goes like this. GM's commitment to sink $2 billion into Nikola is actually more a move to acquire the exclusive rights to sell product and services to Nikola and/or its customers than an equity stake. In exchange for the $2 billion, GM gets the exclusive rights to produce Nikola's Badger electric pickup truck. GM also gets to provide its battery technology for Nikola's electric semi. Not bad for just $2 billion. The smoke and mirrors on GM's investment in Nikola is consistent with Mary Berry's history. Investors should not forget the GM Cruise story going back to 2018. Barra moved Dan Ammann from GM Corporate into the position of CEO of GM Cruise. The story back then was Ammann was moved to provide strategic management focus on building Cruise as a GM business. But the specifics of Ammann's incentive targets soon became public. Ammann, whose background reflects deep experience or includes deep experience in the investment banking business, would be rewarded handsomely should he either steer GM Cruise into an IPO or sell the business. So GM Cruises might not be long for GM. And that tends to be the Mary Barra story regarding a bunch of different investments and acquisitions, etc. Everything is a moving piece that could be gonzo depending upon investor interest in purchasing it from GM. Everything's available for sale. Under Barra, GM has lagged substantially behind its peers on the topic of investment capital turns. GM bulls are keen on this fact, but given the deflation in the GM stock price by the end of last week, at least some investors seem to be aware the $2 billion investment isn't all it seems. On top of all of this, the Hindenburg versus Nikola caper hasn't helped. Hindenburg appears to be a savvy outfit familiar with Nikola's history of mocked-up product demonstrations. Nothing wrong with those, but when the company is claiming that they're not mocked up, that they're actual production vehicles, and in fact they're not, the public doesn't tend to like that type of disconnect. GM's $2 billion investment looks more like a very smart move to position itself at comparatively little hard cost as sole producer and strategic tech supplier to Nikola, on top of other investments GM has in the electric vehicle business. A business built on a lot of sizzle and arguably not much substance. My name is Ira Michael Blonder. I'm the CEO and founder of IMB Enterprises, Inc. Please visit our website, https://www.imbeenterprises.com. Our site includes a blog with over 2,000 posts going back to 2011. The posts are written on marketing, sales, and business management topics likely of interest to enterprise software businesses. Please check out my Twitter page, @MikeTheBebop. Speak with you soon.